All right, it's about 5 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. So I added some new additions to the garden. Now let's just go back over it. So this is the bell pepper plant. This bell pepper plant, that one, the tall one right there, these two shorter ones right here, and two over there, all started months ago from a seed. And as you can see, you saw the other video, many are on the way. Many are on the way. I had to get them off the ground this morning. That's what happened when they was dragging on the ground. Something ate it, if you can see. Some kind of bug. So I had to get it up off the ground. So I used the old bandit signs poles that we use. They use them for other things too. But to get it off the ground. Now, I just planted some tomato plants. These already are started. I won't be doing a whole lot of buying things already started. Although they're organic, I'm just more excited about the whole process of growing it from the ground up. But I'm trying to get out of the grocery store, so I'm speeding up the process on some of them. But I will be putting tomato seeds down, organic seeds I've had for a while. So, but right now I just planted these. I think these are beefsteak. They call them tomatoes, if I remember correctly. This is a special type tomato. This is another type tomato, and I put two over there. I just planted some more bell pepper seeds right here. They should be coming up not long. I bought we just added a blueberry bush to the team. A lemon tree. We already have a lime. We already have another lemon, but they have a few on them, but they're taking a little while. But we have another lemon tree. We have cilantro growing, and I think another tomato and different type of tomato. One or two more things. We have muscadine grapes on the way. So yeah, we going in. Pineapples, they growing, and this just the start. You know, I said at the end of last year during the winter, and you know, if you go back and look at the video, I said we're not playing. So, you know, like I said, it's just the beginning. We're gonna have cabbage, we're gonna have broccoli, we're gonna have watermelon. When watermelon start, I think they already, I don't know, but we're gonna do watermelon eventually. We're gonna do eggplant. We're gonna do, like I said, onions. We're gonna do garlic. We're gonna do squash, zucchini. We're gonna do apples. You know, that's on the way. We're gonna do avocado, orange. Those are the main ones on the way. There's other things I can't think about. But this year, that's what's going on this year. Spinach. We don't eat a ton of spinach, but we still eat it. What else? There's others. I think I said garlic, and you know, I can't think about it. Anything in How to Eat to Live will be grown. If it's a vegetable, if it's a fruit, and we can grow it here, we're gonna grow it. That's what it is. 2024. That's what we own. Assalamu alaikum.